everyone! Here's a useful gesture guide for your reference. While the Apple Pencil works best with Procreate, you don't need one to start creating. You can do a lot in Procreate with just your fingertips. Let's look at the 3 primary tools first. Using only a finger, you can paint, smudge, and erase. To undo your previous action, tap the canvas with 2 fingers. Procreate can undo up to 250 actions. To redo any actions you've undone, tap the canvas with 3 fingers. To delete a layer's contents, move 3 fingers side to side in a scrubbing motion. Pinch your fingers apart to zoom in, pinch your fingers together to zoom out. While pinching the canvas, twist your fingers in a circular motion to rotate the canvas. You can also use 2 fingers to reposition the canvas. Do a quick pinch for the canvas to pop to full size on the interface. Do a reverse quick pinch to return to the exact view you had just before. Swipe 3 fingers down the screen to access the copy-paste menu. Tap with 4 fingers to go to full screen mode, and tap with 4 fingers again to exit full screen. I have more detailed tutorials for each tool mentioned in this video. The links are in the description area. The brush size and opacity sliders in Procreate can be set for more precise control. Move your finger away from the sidebar, then drag up and down. This allows the slider to adjust in smaller increments. The further away from the slider your finger gets, the finer the control. Procreate supports single touch gestures via the Single Touch Gestures companion. This companion floats above your canvas and contains the undo, redo, zoom, move, and fit canvas buttons. To access the Single Touch Gestures companion, go to your iPad settings, go down to Apps, locate Procreate, and toggle Single Touch Gestures companion on. The Single Touch Gestures companion will always be on the screen when you're using a canvas until it's toggled off. We have the undo and redo buttons here. With zoom, you'll notice a blue line radiating from the center of the canvas to your finger when you tap, hold, and drag. This line indicates the amount of zooming in and out. With move, just tap and drag on the canvas. Just a heads up, activating zoom and move will prevent you from using paint, smudge, or erase with your finger. You can also use a single finger tap to fit canvas to screen. I'll just quickly draw these for the next example. Let's look at layers next. Tapping on a layer will change the color to bright blue and is now your primary layer. You can swipe right on another layer to add it to your selection as a secondary layer. Secondary layers appear as dark blue. You can pinch layers together to merge those layers. Double tap with 2 fingers to access a layer's opacity controls. Drag left or right on your canvas to decrease or increase the transparency of this layer. You can access Alpha Lock by 2 finger swiping to the right. You can also briefly hold down with 2 fingers to access the Selections tool. Quickshape can also be done using a finger. I've briefly held the line in place to make it into a straight line. The Gestures control panel gives you the ability to modify shortcuts for a variety of tools throughout Procreate. To access it, tap Actions, go to the Preferences tab, then tap on Gesture Controls to open the Gesture Controls panel. You have a number of controls to adjust to your liking. I'm happy reading your comments, so say hi and leave comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching!